Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to talk about kind of garage sale sourcing techniques. This weekend was a big garage sale. I don't really know what it's called, but it was on one of the state roads here. It was in Ohio, 127 garage sales. And I went with my parents. I didn't really want to drive. So I just rode with them, bought a whole bunch of stuff. But I just want to talk about, I don't know if I'm going to be able to garage sale with my dad anymore, because we're just so different on how we buy stuff. We probably will, but it's just so difficult because he wants to just run in there to the garage sales, glance at everything, see if there's anything he wants, and leave. Where, like, he doesn't even take his phone to the sales. Whereas me, I like to go in there, look at everything. I know there's money there somewhere, and if anything catches my eye that I don't know about or that looks expensive, I'm gonna look it up. So I might look up 2 or 3 things at a garage sale. Maybe not 2 or 3, but at least I'll probably look up at least one item if there's something there that catches my eye. So I'm looking at toys, I'm looking at electronics, I'm looking at clothing sometimes. I bought some hats, I bought some shoes, I bought some tools, video games, DVDs, books. I'm looking at all that stuff. And he just wants to run in there, look at the toys, see if there's video games, and he's leaving. So we're just so different. And he's kind of like getting on me because I'm going kind of slow. And my mom as well, she likes to look at clothing, but I feel like it's kind of getting on me for going slow, because if he went to more garage sales, he would find more, obviously. But I'm there buying like $40 pairs of shoes for $3. Like, that's a good deal. I need to be buying that stuff. You got hats there for 50 cents or $1. That could be worth 20. You got he went in the car, like, he looked around, went in the car. I found like a mouse for a computer. There's 3 of them, Microsoft USB ones. They're probably worth like $5-10 a piece, and they were there for a quarter. I think spending like an extra 2 minutes is worth $30. So that's kind of my strategy, my technique on garage sales. I like to go kind of slow. We still probably went to like 20 or 30 sales. I don't know, maybe it was more than that, but we were out from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or so. And so we probably went to more than 20 since we were out that long. But yeah, just if you have somebody that you garage sale with, make sure that they like to buy stuff the same way as you, because it'll make it a lot easier for you.